Good morning, guys. So exciting day today. We're gonna take you to our brand new purchase, and we collected the keys yesterday. Our builders already started the works on the site, and yeah, let me take you there and show you what's been happening. So this time we bought not one, not two, but 3 buildings side by side. They all behind me with these beautiful white doors. And this time it's in Article 4 area. For you who don't know what it is, it's an area that restricts permitted development rights, and you can't convert any house to HMO. So we had to go through full planning permission. It got fully approved now. So let me take you inside and show you around. As you can see from here, it's going through 4 floors. We have a lower ground floor, same as we have a loft at the very top. So as I forget to mention, it's as well grade 2 listed building, which makes things way more complicated because we have to save a lot of original features, and we were working on that with our heritage consultant, but we got everything in place and our boys started this trip out yesterday. So now let me take you inside and show you around. So we are inside now in the first building, and it's a bit of a maze because this building is connected with another building. So I'm just going to show you around 2 of the projects. This is the first big bedroom. I didn't mention we had the planning approved for 20 bedroom HMO. It's not going to be 20 bedrooms altogether, of course. No one wants 20 people living together, but we're going to have 8 bedrooms here, 6 bedrooms in the next building, and another 6 bedrooms in the third building. So this is going to be the second bedroom with a very nice ensuite, and each of them gonna have a 40 square meters kitchen and a living dining space for the tenants, which is absolutely amazing. I'll straight away show you the other 2 bedrooms that it's gonna be running through the other building. So as you can see, they are connected. Technically should be a wall here, but we have 1 bedroom here, and then we're gonna have a 2nd bedroom here. And these rooms are absolutely amazing sizes. They're large, big, and of course have a lot of old features that we have to save it. It's gonna be a lot of doors, skirtings that we have to save it, same as all the cornices. Now let me take you at the back of this building. So these 2 rooms actually was the 2nd building. So now we're back to the first building, and this one has a very nice long extension where it's gonna be the 3rd bedroom. So we're gonna give this whole extension to the 3rd bedroom. Right now it's the bathrooms here, and it's a little extension here. It's pretty dark here. As you can see, it's very nice and spacious. Now let me take you to the lower ground floor where the kitchen will be. So we are in a lower ground floor now. This used to be a burger bar, so it has a lot of nice colorful features here. So this area is gonna be the first house living kitchen dining area. We're gonna have a very nice big kitchen, nice sofa running through here. We're gonna open up these windows, and you have a little front garden on each of the building. And then I'll show you straight away because this is connected with the 2nd building again. So this is gonna be a 2nd building's kitchen. We're gonna open up this wall because it has behind the space for a kitchen, and this is all gonna be a nice dining area. As you can see, it's plenty of space here, that it's gonna have a very nice kitchen, and it's gonna have a very nice dining room. So these are two buildings together. Now let me take you upstairs and show you the rest. So we are on the first floor now, and this is where is gonna be another bedroom. And it's because it's a new extension, we don't really mind, we don't have to take care of it, so we can just knock everything out, and that's exactly what we're doing. So we are on the first floor now, and this is where we're gonna have additional 3 bedrooms here. And as you can see, they are removing these walls. I'm gonna be removing this wall to create 2 bedrooms here, and because it's a new wall, it's been tested, we can remove it as well. So it's a modern wall. And then I'll take you to another building, which is another 2 bedrooms here. Woo. So here we are again in the second building. That's why I meant it's a bit of a maze everywhere. As you can see, a lot of skirting boards that we will have to try to keep it, same as the door frames. And I'll take you into this building. We will be removing this wall here as well, and it's locked. I'll take you around. And this is another extra bedroom of the second house. Now I'll take you to the loft. So we are in the loft right now, and this one has been fully stripped as we have to increase the head height and the ceiling height. This loft will have 1 very spacious bedroom, and yeah, it's gonna look amazing. Now let me show you the rest of the second building. Now we're back in the second building. So you saw the 2 rooms upstairs and downstairs. Now let me take you to the current hallway. So as you can see, this is what it brings to the second separate building. And as we are on the first floor already, I'll show you the loft, which hasn't been stripped out yet, but they're gonna first finish first building, then we're gonna go into a second building. And as you can see, that's why we are ripping everything out. It's yeah, it's gonna be tough for a higher person, so we will be removing it, and we're gonna be creating as well 1 very large room here. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing size. So you've seen the whole building now. We've been at the very beginning, we've been in the 2 bedrooms on the ground floor, and we've been in the lower ground floor where it's gonna be the kitchen. So now let me quickly take you to the 3rd building and show you the layout there. And then now we are in the garage of the first building. You can see the boys piling up all this rubbish because we have an issue. We can't bring the skip on site at the back alley. The van is not gonna fit, and then at the front you have double yellow. They just don't allow to put the skips there, so we'll have to order weight and loads, and then the boys will have to get rid of all these rubbish. As well, we have all this roof, which is another major problem here. Well, I don't know if I can call it a problem. It's gonna get fixed, but we are removing all this garage roof because this is gonna end up being garden for the tenants, and we're gonna but we're gonna have a windows and a light coming into the bedrooms. Yeah, so it is gonna be a bit of a headache to remove all these steels, but nothing is impossible, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna take you to the 3rd building because it has just exactly same layout, lower ground floor where the kitchen is gonna be, and a loft with an extra bedroom. But this house does come with a big bonus, which is these mews above those 2 garages, which is super spacious and ideally could accommodate 2-bedroom apartment. We didn't apply for the plans yet. This is just something we discussing and thinking about, but if it's a possibility, then it's gonna add even more value to the building in the end. Now let me show you the back of the other 2 buildings. So they both have a big shutters, which we're gonna be breaking up and removing. We're not gonna keep any parking space here. We're just gonna have a very nice big gardens. So these are the two buildings connected together. We will be separating them with a nice wall, and we're gonna give them two separate gardens because we don't want people to mix. Now let me take you upstairs to the mews and show you how spacious they both are. So we are upstairs now, and we had a bit of an issue until we managed to locate the key, because this house does come with 10,000 keys. So yeah, we're finally here, and once you come upstairs, you have two same rooms on both sides. So let me show you. This is one big room with the windows on both sides, and we are thinking probably opening it up. It has like a little hallway in here to connect them both and maybe make into a nice apartment. And I'll show you the other side. And this is other same size side. I'm sure you all want to know the numbers. We did bought these houses for $375,000 in total. It was $125,000 per house, and after the whole renovation, we are expecting more $1,300,000. So it's a really nice numbers. Of course, it's a lot of work. We already put a lot of work in going through all the planning. It took us nearly a year, and I'm sure we already increased the value just by securing that planning in place. So yeah, this is a really big project, especially for us. It's one of our biggest ones so far. And as you saw, the boys are already cracking on. So we will definitely share the progress along the way. So make sure to like and subscribe. And if you would like to see how our other project is coming along, make sure to check out this video here. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.